Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to use Trello's saved searches for quick find. This feature will help you navigate through your tasks and boards easily and efficiently. First off, let's dive right in by accessing the search bar at the top of your Trello board. The reason we do this is to start identifying the keywords or tags you frequently look for. Now, type in your frequently used search term and hit enter. A list of relevant cards will pop up. This helps us because it allows us to retrieve the information we need quickly without having to manually sift through each card or list. Next up, on the right side of the search results page, you'll see an option that says Save this search. Click on it. Let me explain why this matters. By saving your search, you can easily access it later on without having to retype the same keywords. Now that we've done that, you'll notice a new section in the drop-down menu of your search bar called Saved Searches. All your saved searches will be listed here. This is where you'll quickly find your saved searches. Finally, to use your saved search, just click on it in the Saved Searches drop-down, and voila, your results will appear instantaneously. The reason we do this is to cut down on time spent searching and to increase your productivity. To wrap up, using Trello's Saved Searches feature is a powerful way to streamline your workflow and find what you need swiftly. Remember, time saved is time earned. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next video.